In this video, we're going to show some upcoming features in the Acumatica Field Services module. With the Field Services module, the idea is that office workers can work on computers while field workers are on their mobile device. Both can stay in touch and pass information back and forth in real time. The demonstration that we'll be reviewing today starts with a customer requesting service. At that point, a dispatcher for the main office can create an appointment that's immediately available to the field technician on a mobile device such as an Android or iOS phone. The field technician gets directions using his mobile phone, calls the contact if he's running late, and starts his work. Once he arrives on site, he can use inventory from his truck, make note of that, and complete the work. After that's been done, he can get the signature from the customer directly on site so that finance can review everything in real time and prepare a bill. These are the steps that we'll be following in the coming demo. To review how this looks in the software, let's assume that we get a call-in from one of our customers who wants to make an appointment for a backup service. The dispatcher takes the call and can quickly enter the customer, enter the location where the service is going to be performed, and select the service that needs to be done. In addition to creating the appointment, specific instructions for the technician can be left. After saving the appointment, we can go to the field and see how things look. One of the applets on my Field Services Edition is the appointments list. I can click this to see a list of all of my upcoming appointments, or appointments sorted in the order in which I prefer to process them. I can also go in and search. If I happen to be in the McLean area, I can search for all appointments that are in that particular area. When I open the appointment screen, I can see all the details of my appointment. The first thing that I'll need to do is actually get to where I'm going. So I click View on Map. Since I'm using an Android device, this is going to open up Google Maps to pinpoint the location of where my appointment is needed. Using the Google application, I can go in and quickly get directions to determine that it's going to be 7 minutes prior to arrival. If needed, I can return back to my appointment and look up information about who I'm going to be meeting. I can see comment, and if needed and I'm running late, I can go to the phone number, click the phone button, and call the contact there and tell them I'm running a bit late. Once I arrive on the scene, I can start my appointment by clicking the button. In addition to recording that the appointment is in process, the GPS recordings of my phone are noted so that headquarters can see exactly where the appointment was and where it got started. During the course of the appointment, I can go in and pull inventory items from my truck and note that I've used them in the field to perform the service. So not only will this give information about my inventory that I've taken off my truck, but it'll also be valuable for finance to do the billing. Once my appointment's nearing completion, I record information that might be needed for billing, such as the person who's going to approve the service. Add any comments, and save my record. After entering the information, it might benefit me to get the person's signature. So I'll hit the sign button and gather the signature from my client. While on site, I might want to document some of the work that was done. Using the camera on my phone, I can quickly take a picture of anything that might be interesting to the people in the home office. With everything documented, I'm ready to go ahead and complete my appointment. If required by a client, I can print out a copy of what the appointment would look like. With my appointment complete, I'm ready to return to headquarters. Back at headquarters, I can refresh my screen and notice that there's the 2 files attached, as well as the picture that I took while out in the field. Also notice that my 3 inventory widgets have been recorded for billing, as well as a location tab where I can view the exact location where the services were performed. In this case, it's an office building in Tysons Corner, Virginia. If needed, I can complete the review and close the appointment. This is an optional step for people that require a review of information that's entered from the field. Once that's done, I simply go ahead and I can create my invoices in real time. And just like that, my appointment life cycle is completed, from customer to dispatcher to technician to finance and back to customer in one smooth, orchestrated workflow.